Hi everyone. This video will guide you on how to enable dark mode in Chrome on Windows 11. While you can use your Chrome browser in the standard light mode, it can sometimes cause eye strain, especially if you're working late at night or in the evening when ambient lighting is low. You can enable the dark mode on Windows 11 using the built-in Settings app. That means there is no need to install any extension on your PC. Here is how to do it. How to enable dark mode in Chrome on Windows 11. To turn on dark mode in the Google Chrome browser on Windows 11, first, open Windows 11 Settings by pressing Windows +I keys on the keyboard. Then, select Personalization in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, click on Colors. On the Color Settings page, click the Choose Your Mode drop-down menu and select Dark. This will enable system-wide dark mode. If you don't need this, select Custom Mode beside Choose Your Mode. Then, select Light for Windows mode. And choose Dark for app mode. Now, Windows 11 system will use light mode, but Chrome, Windows default apps, and other supported apps will use dark mode. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel GearUpWindows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.